Good evening everyone and welcome to this news program. Tonight we are going to be talking about the most relevant things are happening in our university campus. Let's start. The students of the university disagree that they are taking their classes in virtual modality since for many it is difficult for them to handle these types of the size, or they simply don't feel comfortable are receiving their classroom classes. Improves their understanding, but the face-to-face classes are suspended in a long or short time due to coronavirus. Since if they resume their classes in their classroom, there could be men infected with the virus. Then the government of the whole world declared to obligatory isolation, and it will be open until further orders. Despite the obligatory isolation, many people don't care for true parties without having the knowledge of what is happening in the world. So I come to tell them that please respect the obligatory isolation, wash your hands, and stay in your home. Thank you very much. My name is Victor Alexander Pulgari Montoya. I speak you from the city of Cartago, Valle, and have a great day. Bye.